How time flies, what a song-like past. The glory and splendor of China Design Group are engraved by the struggle and dedication generations of employees of CDG. Nowadays, CDG is starting a new journey to connect the world with innovation and build the brand with originality. CDG is China's first engineering consulting company with comprehensive Class A qualifications for engineering design and listed on the main board. The comprehensive strength of CDG ranks 6th among the top 100 enterprises in survey and design industry in China. It ranks 49th among the top 150 E&R global engineering design companies in 2022. CDG has successfully more than 470 national, ministerial and provincial science and technology progress awards, excellent engineering survey and design awards, consulting results awards and multiple international awards. It is a quality management system 3A certified enterprise in China's engineering survey and design industry and a high-tech enterprise in Jiangsu province. The employees of CDG has always adhered to the fighter's cultural concept, customer focus, continuous value creation, and constant improvement for more than 60 years since the establishment of CDG. CDG is committed to making suggestions for the development of China's transportation industry and urban-rural construction. It keeps providing customers with high-value services, with creation ideas, high quality, excellent service, and high efficiency. With Design Plus at the core, innovative ideas at the driving force, and digitization, platformization, and industrialization as strategic orientations. CDG strives to become a listed company with efficient management, the greatest social influence, the greatest industrial competitiveness, the greatest sustainable growth, and the greatest employees' sense of gain and sense of achievement. As a comprehensive solution provider for full infrastructure construction, CDG provides whole process integrated solutions from strategic planning, engineering, consulting, survey and design to scientific and technological research and development, detection and monitoring, project management, professional construction, and post-operation. The development history of CDG is a full-in process of great integration of productivity and value chain. CDG plans a region from a global perspective and surveys the global development with regional development. At present, the industrial map of CDG has formed a grand strategic pattern that covers the integrated development of the whole industry and multiple fields and is composed of 6 major business sectors: big think tanks, big transportation, big urban and rural areas, big western, big environmental protection, and big engineering. CDG has a deep grasp of the future development of the transportation industry. It actively builds a think tank of CDG based on integrated data and accurate analysis with high-end planning as the career to serve such fields as transportation development strategy and policy research, urban planning, comprehensive transportation planning, and highway, railway, waterway, and civil aviation transportation. As the only engineering consulting and design enterprise with comprehensive design capability of the whole industry of highway, railway, waterway, and civil aviation transportation in China, CDG has completed the design of more than 6,000 kilometers of expressways nationwide and overseas, 5,000 kilometers of arterial highway, more than 300 extra-large bridges, 6 crossover bridges with a span of over 1,000 meters, 3,200 kilometers of Grade 4 or above inland river trunk lines and coastal waterways, more than 80 various ship locks, and more than 200 wharf projects, the design and consultation of more than 100 water conservancy and marine projects, and design of 100 kilometers of high-speed railway and special railway and almost all road service areas, landscape and intelligent transportation facilities in Jiangsu province. Its civil aviation drawing review projects cover more than 80 airports nationwide, and its review projects involve 7 administrations. CDG is accompanying China to convert from a big transportation country to a transportation power, and is stepping in front of a team as an unstoppable force. As a leading supplier of urban operation system integration in China, CDG adheres to the service philosophy and purpose of design makes urban life better, and comprehensively carries out urban planning and design for municipal transportation, water ecology, architecture, landscape, and other aspects. It has designed more than 1,000 kilometers of urban primary and secondary roads and expressways and more than 70 urban landscape bridges, 20 extra-large urban comprehensive transfer hubs, and more than 5 million square meters of civil and public buildings, and has participated in the design of the subways and light rails with a total length of more than 550 kilometers in 11 cities like Nanjing, Wuxi, Suzhou, Xi'an, Xiamen, and Luoyang, and more than 11 various subway stations. CDG is seizing one development opportunity after another on the road to building smart cities. It actively adopts to the future trend of digital economy and artificial intelligence in the new era. CDG has gathered a high-quality team that realizes scientific research, planning, design, consultation, construction and operation, and maintenance integration in the smart sector. Besides, 5G, big data, artificial intelligence, and other technologies are applied to the construction, management, and operation of conventional infrastructure. Smart CDG is limitless. Meanwhile, CDG does not forget to think deeply about the way of harmonious development between human beings and the environment. Based on years of professional advantage in consulting on the whole process of transportation and environmental protection, CDG integrates and expands the 4+1 subdivided scenarios of noise prevention and control, water treatment, soil remediation, solid waste disposal, and smart environmental protection. It provides customers with the whole process of ecological environment consultation and design services, and is committed to leading industrial integration with green technologies. Based on the full value chain service capability covering investment and financing, consulting, design, operation, and other stages, CDG actively transforms the integration of design and construction and provides whole process solutions. CDG has successfully led to participate in more than 200 EPC contracting projects with comprehensive design, procurement, construction, and management technologies. In order to open up the entire industrial chain of engineering construction, build a new brand in the construction industry of CDG, and deeply integrate the technology of Industrialization 4.0 to provide digital products and intelligent technical services. Meanwhile, CDG integrates cutting-edge creative talents, sets up a global creative center, and builds a first-class comprehensive design brand. that combines creative ability and engineering technologies with Greater Bay Area and Yangtze River Delta as the base. CDG now has 5 business areas: Yangtze River Delta, North China, South China, Northwest China, and Southwest China, covering the sales and service networks in 31 provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions. CDG has 10 R&D centers, 25 holding companies, 9 professional business units, more than 6,000 employees, and high-tech enterprise strength of more than CNY 10 billion of annual sales. CDG is determined to build and lay out a new business format with national construction as the responsibility and building striver culture as the foundation. After more than 60 years of development, CDG will continue to implement the 2 strategies of going out and excellence and perfection. China Design Group will strengthen the core of high quality and sustainable development, further improve their ability to integrate resources worldwide, be committed to becoming an international engineering consultation group, leading the integration of smart green technologies and digital, industrial, and platform development, driven by innovation and creativity, with making the world more accessible and making city more livable as the mission. Becoming a top technical service provider of transportation development and urban construction as the vision and the culture of strivers as the endogenous power. China Design Group will strive to build a national engineering consultation design brand with Chinese characteristics, continuously creating value with a customer focus, making the world more accessible and making cities more livable.